Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melanie. I'm a financial analyst and I do videos on side hustles, entrepreneurship, passive income, and all things money. And today I wanted to come on here really quick and tell you guys about the most popular side hustles right now. So this is gonna kind of be a repurposed video because I have a lot of side hustle videos, but I wanted to pull out the most popular right now, like the ones that are making people a lot of money and the ones that are easy to do. So this is gonna be really quick, so let's get into the video. Don't mind all the mess back here. My office is a mess because I have a lot of toys in my office. But anyway, let's get into today's video. I'm gonna go over 4 of the top side hustles that are making you money right now. Let's go. Number 1 is IAM, and I'll tell you all about that right here.
It is a website where you can upload your pictures and get paid for them. So everybody has a smartphone, so you can start snapping pictures. They don't have to be 4K, but we know that smartphones are capable of doing 4K, so you can do 4K. But you upload your pictures and you get 55% of the profit from your photo. So how much do the photos sell for? This website sells to other companies, sells your photos to other companies for $350. So you get 55% of that back from your photo. So go on there, create a contributor account and start snapping photos. And I would go on there and just kind of look at what's there. So you are taking photos of the appropriate things and then uploading, and then you have a better chance of a company purchasing your uploaded photos. This takes absolutely very minimal time because think of how many photos that we already take. So if you're outside for a walk, you can take a photo of a flower or a tree or whatever it is. A lot of landscape photos are easy to take. And then you can upload those photos, and then when a company buys them, you get 55% of the purchase price.
Number 2 is virtual assistant, and I'll tell you all about that one right here.
Number 2 is virtual assistant. This job or this side hustle is something that's great for stay-at-home moms because there is so much flexibility. And what a virtual assistant does is basically anything that your boss or the person hiring you requests for you to do. So this is stress-free because it doesn't have the lag time of starting your own business. So you can just go on a website. The website that I've used before it's fancyhands.com. So you can go to this website, look at virtual assistant jobs as well as Fiverr or Upwork and all of those other gig type of sites. So then when you get this virtual assistant position, you're basically doing things like checking emails, sending emails. You might update their social media. Anything that you can do remotely as a virtual assistant. This is just on the computer, little task that.
Number 3 is mystery shopper, and I'll tell you all about that right there.
So my next one is mystery shopper, and mystery shoppers are fun because you can go anywhere and mystery shop depending on where the company sends you that you're getting the gigs from. It could be a grocery store, it could be Target, it could be Walmart, it could be a big box store like Costco, it could be a specific mall, the mall overall, or a specific store, a retail store in the mall. It could be a hotel. And my last video I talked about being a mystery shopper at a hotel where you enjoy all the amenities of the hotel, you sleep in the rooms, and you do all the whole nine, and you write your lengthy sort of opinion, and then you get paid for just staying in the hotel. That video was specific to just hotel mystery shoppers, and that link is in that video. I'll put the link somewhere or in the description, and I'll post the video here so you can watch that. But mystery shopper is really fun because when you download the app, whatever company you're gonna work for, you can look at the gigs, how far they are from where you are currently, and then how long it takes to do whatever they're asking you to do. Sometimes they just ask you to go into a grocery store and take pictures of the fruit display. So that's really easy to do, and you can get paid for just a simple task like that.
Number 4 is field agent, and I'll tell you all about that now.
Number 4, field agent. So what is a field agent? Field agents harnesses the smartphones of the shoppers across the country to help brands, retailers, and agencies spot, fix, sell, learn, and grow. So as a field agent, what you're basically going to be doing is going into the store, taking a photo of whatever they assign you to take a photo of, and then uploading it back to them. Most of these types of things will earn you about $10 to $5 a task. So $5 to $10 a task. So if you're already in a certain area and you have an assignment that you click on, that you accept, and it says, go into this grocery store and take a picture of the fruit display. You're already in the area. They're not asking you to drive like 50 miles out of the way. You only accept the assignments that you want to accept. So when you're looking at them, a way to save money while you're doing this, because $10 is not a lot of money, but a way to save money while you're doing this is just do it when you're already out and about, or just do it in the area where you are at the time. So you're not driving all over the place trying to do these assignments, or just dedicate like half a day a week to them.
So that was my 4 most popular side hustles right now that are making you money. And these are the easiest ones to do. This will put some cash in your pocket very quickly. And if you guys want to let me know down in the comments which one of these you tried, go ahead and let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.